Gmail's new managed subscription feature is incredible. It allows you to manage your subscription from one place. And the way it works, if you go to your Gmail icon and you click on the menu icon, you can see and scroll down, you can see manage subscription. And if you come here, you can see all your subscription, right? And you can see from those who send you the most emails, like recently. As you can see, I'm a subscriber of Codecademy, and you see here I received 10 to 20 emails recently from them. And if you click on it, let's see what's gonna happen. Ta-da! Look at all of these emails, and I haven't read none of them, right? So I think it's worth subscribing from Codecademy, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back and click unsubscribe, and it says, do you want to stop getting messages from all mailing lists from Codecademy? I'm gonna say yes because I'm not reading anything from them. So unsubscribe from mailing list, but not that. When you unsubscribe, it may take senders a few days to stop sending you messages. So if you are receiving some messages from your subscription that you no longer need, it is very easy now to unsubscribe from one place, and you can do this here. Let me check this out as well. You can see EDX News. I'm not reading this either, so I'm gonna go and unsubscribe. So yeah, you can do the same, right? Definitely I would encourage you to use this new feature.